with Virat Kohli. Emotions today, Virat? I know it's only T20 cricket, but what kind of emotions inside you?
Relief, firstly.
No.
I mean, look, it's been an honor, as I said at the toss. But you know, things have to be kept in the right perspective, and I thought, as I mentioned before, this was the right time for me to just manage my workload. It's been 6-7 years of intense cricket. Every time you take the field, and it takes a lot out of you. So it's been amazing. It's been so much fun. A great bunch of guys who've played together for so long, and we've really performed well as a team. I know we haven't gone further in this World Cup, but we have played some really good cricket as a T20 side, and something that we've all really thoroughly enjoyed with each other, for so long, for so many years playing together. That's been the hallmark for me, and that's absolutely made my job much easier.
64% win record, so you can be pretty proud of that. How do you reflect on this tournament and the way it's gone, and what might have happened and what actually did happen, and the positives for you?
Look, positives, obviously, the way we played the last 3 games. I think it's a game of margin, margins, T20 cricket nowadays. I mean, you talk about 2 overs of cricket with intent in the first 2 games, and things could have been different. We are not a team that's going to make an argument about the toss, because you should be able to do both things well when you lose the toss or you win the toss. Having said that, as I said, we were not brave enough in the first 2 games, and we suffered because of that, and our group was such that we knew that afterwards it's going to be complicated for us to go through.
You built a good relationship with Ravi Shastri and that support staff as well, and they're moving on. You're hopefully going to be around for much, much longer. But tell us about that relationship and what it meant to you and to Indian cricket.
Oh, well, amazing. I mean, big thank you to all those guys. They've done a tremendous job over the years, keeping this group together. Appreciated by everyone in the group. Just a great environment with those people around for so long. And it just became, an extended part of our bigger family. I mean, it's for us, it was the same faces we saw, and people loved getting back to that environment. The atmosphere was great, so they've contributed immensely to Indian cricket as well. And a big thank you to all of them from all of us in the team, and they've done a great job for the team.
I'm hoping next time I see you play T20 International, which hopefully will be pretty soon, that we'll see the same emotions, whether you're at cover, whether you're at mid-wicket, whether you're on the boundary.
Well, that's never going to change. I mean, for me, if I can't do that, I will not play this game anymore. And that's been my goal from day one. Even when I wasn't captain before, I was always keen to learn, always keen to know where the game is going, and I'm always going to be around with my point of view, with anything I can do for the team. So I'm not a guy who's just going to stand around and do nothing. I'll always be the guy who wants to give his 120% on the field.
Quick one about today. You didn't bat. We're looking forward to seeing you come out.
Well, it's Surya didn't get much game time in this World Cup, and it's a T20 World Cup. At the end of the day, I just thought, it might be a nice memory for him to take back as well. He's just played a couple of innings, and they didn't. One inning it didn't go well. Then he got injured. Then he didn't get to bat against Afghanistan. So I know as a young player, you want to take some good memories back from a World Cup, and that was basically the idea behind sending him.
But it wasn't to be this time, but Virat, I'm sure looking forward to lots more great performances from you.
Thank you so much. Cheers. Thank you.
Well.